Greetings. In this video, you'll learn how to locate and utilize the Turnitin Feedback Studio. After you submit a Turnitin assignment, you can review its similarity report before and after the instructor grades it. In this situation, we will look at a graded Turnitin assignment. First, locate the Turnitin assignment and click on its name to see that the grade and similarity score are now active. The similarity score calculates the percentage of your writing that matches other papers in the Turnitin repository or other online text. So use the similarity score to check that you properly reference quotations, citations, and bibliographic material. To review the matching text and instructor feedback, click on any active link for the assignment. When the Feedback Studio appears, you can see the submission to the left and the product toolbar to the right, your name, your submission's title, and your grade appears at the top. Match Overview lists the matches any previous submission in descending order. When you click on the name of the match, Turnitin then displays where the matches occur and provides a segment of matching text. If your text matches an open online source, then you can review the full text source. Just click on the book icon. Once you have finished reading, select the Close tab. Once your instructor grades your paper and wants you to review the feedback, select the feedback summary or rubric to do so. Now that you know how to review a Turnitin submission, if you have any questions about your Turnitin assignment, please contact your instructor or TA.